Today we are going to make the moon landing moon lamp. So let's go through the materials that we require. First you will require Fevicol A+. Okay. Then you require any color of your choice, any acrylic colors, or if you have the vanilla tempera colors at home, you can make use of that too. Then I've taken this as a base. Okay, you can take any cardboard box or any box that you have at home which is just lying around and not making use of it. I'll show you what you have to do with it. A balloon, this is mandatory. Then we have these fairy lights, so you can use them as well, or if you have any lights from Diwali, Christmas or any function that you have at home, you can use those as well. And the brush, I have my palette here. Then we require the Rangila creative clay. Also the tissue papers here. Okay, so I've taken quite some of it. So I think we shall begin. So I'll just keep all of these aside. Directly we will go to the first step, that is to make the balloon. I'll keep these lights aside so that they don't come in contact with water. Okay, so first I have already blown a balloon. Can you see? This is just nice and round. A small balloon. If you want a big moon lamp, you can blow the balloon quite big. But I require a small one, so I've taken this size. So it depends upon what size of the moon lamp that you want, and you can make it accordingly. So I've taken this. So what I'll do, I will take my Fevicol A+. I've already taken some water in my palette. I will pour some Fevicol A+. The ratio is 1:1. Okay. Of Fevicol A+ and water. You take equal amount of water and equal amount of Fevicol A+. You mix it with a brush, and then you have like a thin glue-like consistency, white color water. Okay, mix it well, and then we start applying a layer of this Fevicol A+ solution on the balloon. So I'll take my balloon, I'll apply a layer like this. Okay, and then I will take my tissue papers. Okay, I'll just tear it. So you don't have to tear it into bits and pieces, just pieces of square will also do. Okay, just place it on the area where you applied the Fevicol A+ solution and cover the entire area wherever that you feel that the area is going to be covered with the tissue paper. Okay, just like this, and then place it over. And then on top you apply another layer so that it sits well on the balloon. Okay, so this is my first layer of the tissue paper on the balloon. I will cover the entire balloon with Fevicol A+ and the tissue paper here like this. Okay, you have to do the same for the entire balloon. Then I will show you another layer. So once you applied the first layer, again take some Fevicol A+ and water solution. Put it on top of the tissue. You have to be very gentle. If you do it vigorously, the tissue paper might tear off because they are wet. Okay. Then I will place another tissue paper above the first layer. So this is my second layer. Okay. We require at least 2 to 3 layers of tissue paper and Fevicol A+ solution so that our moon lamp is quite sturdy, beautiful and strong. Okay, you do it like this, and then you have to keep it to dry. Here. Okay, so it takes some time for it to dry. I just keep it on the side. Once it has been dried, it looks something like this. Okay, see, this is quite hard. Then you need to just take off the balloon that is there inside. You just need to poke it with something sharp. I'll just take a wire here and just poke the balloon so that the air just comes off. Okay? Just like this. Pull out. So the air will just come out of it. And to just poke it so that it leaves the sides of the, it won't burst, like it won't make noise, it will only release the air and then it will leave off the sides of the balloon. Okay, Okay. Then the next step is to take the marker and make a circle here. Okay, you can just keep anything that is circular on top of it, or you can just randomly make a circle so that you can insert the lights in it. Just give me a second, let me see some of the comments if you guys have any questions. Okay. So you just mark this circle and then cut it out with the help of the scissors or with the help of the cutter. Okay. Our next step is where we have the balloon just like this. So kids, if you are making use of the cutter, see to it that you are taking the help of your parent. You just don't go or don't rush into with the cutter just cutting. It's a little bit difficult. Or you can use the scissors. Again, take help of your parents. Just do not rush into it because it's a little difficult. The paper is quite thick here. So be careful. Okay? That's it. So this is the top portion of the moon and it is ready. So I will keep this aside. And our next step is to take the corrugated sheet here. Okay, so if you have any box with you, use that box. There are so many Amazon boxes that come, so I have just taken it in the shape of a circle. I have made a circular cut. The similar circular cut, this is going to rest on top of this. So I hope you can see through and through. Okay, and then I have taken these corrugated strips. So what I will do is I will quickly stick this on top of it. So in the meanwhile, while these things will dry, I will show you how you have to make the rocket. So for now, I will just apply Fevicol A+ on the rims of the inner circle like this and just place this ring on top of it. Similarly, I will apply Fevicol A+ on the sides of this disc. And I will drape the entire disc with another strip of corrugated sheet. So I'll just quickly apply this here. And while I'm doing this, I hope you guys know the reason why we are doing today's article is because we are landing on the moon soon. I'm just kidding. So it was on 20th July 1969, that was the Apollo 11 mission. Okay, the flight that took off from the Earth and it had landed on the moon. So that was the first time ever where the mission was successful, where humans had first set their foot on the moon. So before that, just going on to the moon was just a dream. Like people thought the moon is too far away, and suddenly, because of Neil Armstrong and his entire team, where he had Buzz Aldrin and one more of his colleague. Okay, so those guys, they went to the moon and the mission was successful. The Apollo 11 mission was successful. So imagine prior to that, the entire numbers from 1 to 10, they were only trying, and finally the 11th mission took off, and this mission had men on it. There were humans on it. Before they have tried so many missions, be it with animals, and some of the astronauts have lost their lives before as well. So this was a milestone to NASA that humans had first step, and it was Neil Armstrong who had his footprint there imprinted on the moon. So if you look at the pictures on Google, you will find pictures of Neil Armstrong standing in the moon and placing the flag on the moon, stating that the humans have reached the moon. So this is how you have to keep it for drying. Okay, you don't have to make this entire disc like how I made. You can just take any recycled box at home or take any waste boxes which you do not use and make use of it. Just see to it that you're making a hole in the center just like this, so that you can just put in the fairy lights in it. Okay, so the fairy lights, you just have to push it in there. You just have to push it in them like this. Okay, and you have to keep the wire out so that you can plug it to the socket. So while this is drying, I will just keep it aside. Our next step is to take the Rangila Creative Clay. Now for the clay, what you have to do is you need to take a green clay or any clay of your choice. You're not stuck by using you can make any use, like there are many clays in the Rangila Creative Clay pack. So what you have to do is you need to roll it and make it into a cylindrical shape. Okay, so it has to be fat at the bottom and little thin towards the top. Okay, you need to mold it with your hands like this and just press it like this. Okay, so this is our first shape, that is the body of the rocket. Okay, we are making the Apollo 11 flight. So this is our rocket. Then we are going to make the teardrop like shape with the yellow color Rangila Creative Clay. So this is going to be stuck here at the bottom. I will show you. So I have created 4 of such yellow color teardrop shape. Okay, and then I have another blue disc and orange cone. I hope you can see it. Okay, there's a blue disc and an orange cone. I will be placing on top of the rocket like this. Then I've made another base. So this is again cylindrical, but it's very small, okay, circular. So this will come below the rocket that you made. So first you just need to assemble all of the things, and then I've made these small cute windows. So I will just stick them here on the front part. And I will stick it on the back side. So one in the front and back side like this. Then I made tiny white colored balls, and I'm just going to place it on all 4 sides of our rocket like this. I hope that is visible. So the shapes are really very easy to make. You don't need to break your head. You just need to refer to a rocket, or you could always come back and look at our videos if you're lost. So this is how you make it. I'll keep it on top of this. Okay, then I'm going to place these yellow colored teardrop like things. So these are the fire that the rocket releases. Okay, you just place them. And if you want it to be more secure, you can just stick it with Fevicol A+. So for now, I am just going to demonstrate how you have to place them. So once I have finalized the placement, then I am just going to stick them. So this is the fire that we made. So this again, you have to make it with the orange color Creative Clay. Okay, so you have to just make 2 teardrops. See, I'll just remove them like this. Okay, you have to make 2 teardrops and then stick them together like this. So you get the fire-like shape. Okay, and then put it together. I will hold it on top, and then I will place my fire below it. So I'll just adjust the bottom so that it can stand by itself like this. Okay, so once you finalize your rocket, you just take Fevicol A+. Just to secure the entire thing, you will just stick them together. So I will apply Fevicol A+, place this on top of these. The small elements may not require, so you could just do it to the big elements, and then again, for this entire thing to stay in place, again you need to apply 1 layer of Fevicol A+. So just pour Fevicol A+ on top of the rocket. Take your brush and brush it over, so that even if somebody touches it, it does not loses its shape. So you need to be very careful. Okay, you may also take one part, complete one part, let it dry, and then switch to the next part. So you can take this slowly and steadily. You don't need to rush it, you don't need to mess it up. You could take the upper part, then the middle portion, and then the lower part. Okay, So once it has been stuck properly and you've applied a coat of Fevicol A+ on it, this is how our rocket will look like. Okay, here. So I have already painted the base with the acrylic color. If you have Rangila Tempera colors, you can make use of that as well. I have already inserted the fairy lights in it. I will just put my wire below this hole that I have made, okay, and pull it. So all the lights go into our moon. Okay, but my wire is not going to reach the socket. Unless I could just show you. Okay, we place the moon on top of it like that. And if you want, you can just stick the rocket anywhere on the moon with Fevicol A+. I don't want to stick it here. I just want to keep the rocket right beside the moon so that I am remembering Neil Armstrong and his entire team, the entire team of NASA, all the people who put lots of efforts for years and years together to reach on the moon. Okay, so today humans have advanced way too much. We've gone way far. We found the black hole. We got the pictures of the black hole and everything. So humans are surely advancing. So you need to advance your creative skills as well. Make this beautiful moon lamp and send in your entries at FeviCreate, be it on Instagram or Facebook. You can even reach out to us by visiting our website at www.fevicreate.com. So make this amazing project. Okay, send in your entries. I would really want to see all of you and getting very creative with your rocket, with your base. You can just make anything else. And if you have missed out on any step, you could always come back. We will have the video uploaded and you can just refer to the steps. Okay? Let me check. Okay. So, do not forget to tag us at FeviCreate. One second, I will just check if you guys have any questions. Okay, so do not forget to tag us at FeviCreate. Make wonderful creations. If you have any doubts, any problem, just drop in the message, okay? Drop in the comment and we will come to know our backend. We'll just answer the questions or any queries that you have. And do not forget to tag us at FeviCreate, Instagram, Facebook. You can visit our website. Bye bye. See you guys.